Hi guys. I am Rustam and my brother Ider. Welcome to our channel. In this video, the real story of my client. He used to be poor. Now he is rich and has an Aston Martin DB5, which he made from scratch without skills. And now he knows how to make money online and offline with this case. This is a detailed step-by-step video tutorial on how to cheaply make a dream car Aston Martin DB5 with your own hands from scratch without skills. And how to earn money online and offline in this case. You must understand the main thing about how to make money online and offline in a short time. You have to do what no one else is doing. Remember that thought, bro. So need to make and sell what will cost a lot. Exclusive exotic. My client understood this and turned to me for electronic drawings, car buck files, for self-building an Aston Martin DB5. Attention. Contest. Leave any comment under this video, and every month I will randomly choose a one winner and give electronic drawings, car buck files, for building your own dream car. Some of you may think right now that it's difficult and that you can't repeat my client's path, but don't fear. You have to look at the situation from a broader perspective. To earn money online and offline, you don't necessarily have to make a fully finished car and then sell it. That is only one option. For example, my client is selling an Aston Martin DB5 car body that he made himself. He made the molds once and will now make many bodies for sale. He also sells parts for this car that he made himself. All of this he sells online on the internet. He get the main point. He sells exclusives exotics. He now 100% knows how to make money online and offline. Now I will show in detail the technology how to make a car Aston Martin DB5 from scratch without skills. Let's look at the work plan. It all starts with 3D scan model. Model dimensions correspond to the size of the original car. 3D model is broken into sections and files are saved in 2D. This electronic drawing. In the future this will car buck. Sections saved in JPEG format or in DXF format. We do both formats. This tutorial will talk about JPEG format. Why JPEG format, not the format to CNC or laser machine? Because the CNC machine is not available for many, but a home printer or large plotter is available to all. Moreover, it is many times cheaper. Therefore, we make available electronic drawings for the construction of a body and interior of any desired car. Now we need from electronic drawings to make paper drawings. Electronic drawings printed on the printer in a special program that is included with the drawing set. Then paper sheets are glued together along dotted lines. It turns out a whole section. The whole section is cut along the contour. Paper drawings ready. Now we need from paper drawings to make sections of wood board for car buck. We attach the paper drawings to the wood board sheets and draw with pencil around the outline. Then we cut out the circled sections with a jigsaw. Car buck sections are ready. We assemble sections from wood board one after another according to the instruction. Car buck is ready. Then there are two ways. Someone wants to work with aluminum and someone with fiberglass. We will work with fiberglass. Now we need to prepare the car buck before making the molds. The space between the wood board sections will fill with styrofoam and then the surface will putty and put into the ideal. Next, the surface is prepared for the further manufacture of molds. Molds for reusable manufacturing of body parts. If in the future you suddenly break up any detail of your replica, then you just take and make a new detail by these molds. You can make many sets of bodies. Next, the finished body, kit car, can be put on the frame or on a suitable donor car. A replica of a dream car is ready. Universal detailed step-by-step instruction with all the steps of building any car at the end of this video. This is the cheapest and most affordable technology. In fact, this is not a difficult process and anyone without skills can do it. It's like Lego, but for men. Many of my clients before meeting me also don't have skills in this matter. But now they easily do everything themselves. Moreover, for convenience, I have created a detailed step-by-step video instruction. And I always help and advise my clients. Now back to the main point. The title of this video: How to make money online and offline and work from home jobs. I and my clients earn money online and offline from this business. Because on the internet you can find clients from anywhere in the world. There are many thematic sites and groups where people buy and sell replica cars and bodies for building cars. In this business, there will always be more buyers than sellers because this is exotic. Exotic always cost a lot of money. Therefore, anyone can start making money online and offline in this business. The main desire and start acting. Otherwise, life will not change for the better if you continue to do nothing. I changed my life and the life of my family for the better, and I like it. I shared with you a 100% proven way to make money online and offline that I do myself. In the next videos, I will show you other similar ways to make money online and offline in this business. Subscribe on YouTube channel and visit my website and be inspired by my work and the work of my clients with this business.
Welcome.